يشير بعض الأطباء إلى وجود توافق بين الطب اليوناني والطب النبوي. الدكتورة تسعى في أبحاثها التي تستنبطها من الطب النبوي واليوناني إلى تقديم علاج وحلول لأمراض مزمنة في بحث عملت عليه واستخلصت منه علاجاً للفيروسات.
And I am here just because of the conference of prophetic medicine. So they invited me as well. So I used to, because it's related to Sunnah and as well as Unani medicine in concern. This is a part of also. You call this prophetic medicine, some call Islamic medicine, and as we are in Indians, we call it the part of Ayush system. So this is the part of the Unani medicine. So in Unani medicine and in our department, or this is my department, pediatrics, أطفال.
تتفاوت أعمار الأطفال وتختلف وسائل العلاج لكل فئة عمرية، كالجرعات المقننة والموصوفة بشكل دقيق والمكونات المحددة للعلاج.
I do research on asal or maul asal. I used to give the children for cough, especially in changing seasons. They start upper respiratory problems. So it's very effective, asal. And this is prophetic medicine also. And after that we used to tell dates, because dates supposed to be complete nutrition in the breakfast. According to age, I prescribe dates. It depends the age of the child, 1 or 2 or 3. And because I try to avoid the medicines in children, it's better to boost immunity first. So these are the drug of choice. The best things is asal, dates, and after that we used to give zaitun, olive oil. Olive oil is very good for the digestive, for the constipation. So at that time I suggest take, depend on the age of the child. It's small, or this is under 5 years, this is under 10 years, because pediatrics comes up to 0 to 18 years, depend on the age also. So I used to give the olive oil also for the constipation. It's very good. So basically the idea is to avoid the medicines and to promote our prophetic, like dates, asal and zaitun. So now we are trying for that. So it will be better for, I think, in future for the prophetic medicine or Unani medicine or Islamic medicine for all of us. In brief, I would like to say this. Thank you.